As a top listing agent, I will make every effort to ensure your selling experience is as smooth and stress-free as possible. My team and I can get you from selling to sold, fast and for top dollar. Call me to schedule a free market consultation. Beautiful 3-bedroom home in Houston's Southlawn is now available and priced to sell. The home features an open floor plan, crown molding, tile floor entryway, a beautiful winder staircase which takes you to the second floor and huge master suite. The home has many large windows for plenty of natural light. Enjoy the fall and winter season curled up next to the fireplace after a long hard day at work. Tired of long commutes? This home has access to Highway 59, Highway 288, Old Spanish Trail, the 610 loop, and is located less than 3 miles from the medical center and less than 7 miles from Houston's downtown. This home is located within 8 miles to Meyerland Plaza, which has great restaurants and shopping centers. The home is perfect for sports fans, rodeo enthusiasts or concert goers, as it is located less than 5 miles to Reliant Stadium. As you can see, this is an incredible location. Call to schedule a tour.